May kisahal na rin ako, gagawa na rin ako ng cooking video. By the way guys, hindi nga pala ako si Tony Labrusca. We're cooking sausage. One thing I learned, hindi siya mabilis, hindi siya madali. Pero, what I did is fill a frying pan with water.
Wow, ang hirap
that much. Tapos, straight from the freezer, you put the sausages in there. Hindi hotdog to sausages. And you let them sit for 9 minutes. So let's check back on this baby after 9, shall we? As you can see, pretty flip it over. Hindi ko alam kung bakit bumuka siya ng ganyan. Kita mo yan? Yeah. It's managed to change in color. Yeah. Oh, wait naman siya. Okay, we flipped it for 3 minutes and now this is the latter part of the other 3 minutes. You just gotta flip them. You don't really have to roll them around in your pan or anything like that. Medyo ang ganda na ng kulay. You know, look at that. Yeah. It's much browner than it seems. Let me zoom out. See? Ah. Saka yung amoy niya, grabe ang bango. Bango. It's filling up this room.